So what have you essentially changed from the squad that you had last season?
I heard there were 70 players, which was shocking news to me. They said, uh, when I came, there was nearly 40. I said, no way. Whom I cannot keep it in my team, I don't want him to grumble. So now at this moment, 36 I've got, that too also with 4 under 20 boys. So as per rule, and I want the under 20 boys to be groomed. So I've got 18 years boy, 19 years boy. I've kept them. They're getting adjusted with the style we want to play, the way we want to play. So first thing I did, the Mr. Churchill asked me, can you manage Pro League, I League? I said, if I cannot manage, then I should not be in the helm of affair. So he said, if you can, nothing like it. So I'll do it.
Okay. Coming to the formation, there is a lot of hue and cry about the formation, which has been advised by the Wimco Verma's Robban combination. It sounds to be really ridiculous at this point of time. Can they force the clubs to play the certain 4-3-3 formation?
I don't think they are trying to force. They are the maximum they can request, but that they should not do. Why? A team strategy, style is two different things. But the formation, it depends on the player, not on the way a manager wants to do. According to your strength, you build up your formation. Whether I will play 4-6-0, 4-2-3-1, the latest trend and which seems to be very comfortable, very balancing system. Most of the teams are playing, but and 4-4-2, 4-3-3. It depends the ammunition you have got in your hand. You cannot ask that I am going to go for open attack without good cannons, without your anti-aircraft gun. If you have got only missiles in your hand, no missiles in your hand, only you have got musket and things, you have to plan your strategy formation onto this. So that too, all, they can request all club coaches, managers, that the style. I know what they are trying to say, that keep the ball on the ground, be more compact. But 4-3-3, what they are saying, it is ridiculous. If they request me, I don't think they will. But I'll point blank, I'll tell them, that's none of your business. Okay, style you can ask me. Same thing which Spain is doing today. After Del Bosque won the Aragonés, won the European Championship. He requested Del Bosque that please tell all the clubs to play the system we played, adopted in the European Cup. And Del Bosque requested all the clubs. No long ball, keep the position in football. That they can say. Not like Bob Houghton. Put the ball into here and then you see only second ball. That is not, cannot be Indian style of football.
Coming to Churchill Brothers, there has been overall criticism of the club that they are giving not enough opportunities to the Goan players. Do you see any substance in that criticism?
There are many players. At least when I am here, there are many players. But not giving chance doesn't depend on the management. The world is fittest for the survival. So if you are good, no club, no coach will want that his team should not do well. The Goan boys, there are plenty of Goan boys in my team. Out of 4 goalkeepers, 2 are Goans. So there are young boys from Goa. My main midfielder is Goan. My side back is Goan. So you cannot, this criticism I strongly oppose. First of all, football is not for any caste, creed, religion. Whether you are a Bengali, you will play in Bengal. You are Punjabi, you will only play for Punjab. That is not football. You go to Spain, then why they got, Barcelona got Messi from all the way from Spain with his hormone syndrome. Argentina, sorry, to Spain.
Yeah.
Why? Because he is a talent. Not only a talent, he is something more than a talent, which he proved himself. So here is more that your football quality and strength. It depends.
You have now Mariano Diaz as the coach of the club, and he is relatively inexperienced at the I-League club level. So, how would it be? How would you and his relations be?
No. We are very. We interact with each other every day. I'm asking his help. Though I want the team will play as I want, but he is knowledgeable. He's picking it up. I explained him what is the style I wanted to play, the way I wanted to play. He's doing quite good.
Fine. What's the style and way that?
No, I love positional football.
Okay.
I love positional football because football is a beautiful game. I want to play it beautifully.
Coming to the overall shift of balance of the football. Earlier the Kolkata clubs used to dominate Indian football, and now it's for last continuous 4-5 seasons the Goan clubs are winning the I-League. What do you think has changed this equation of the footballing power?
That you can't say the football power lies in Goa. It's not that I'm a Bengali, I hails from Calcutta, that's why I say. You see, first three position, always Goan and Calcuttans, they are sharing it. Federation Cup, Calcutta clubs are winning. But one thing is very evident, that attitude has changed into major state of footballing power in India. Goan clubs, especially Dempo. I envy Armand. Is very lucky to have a club where he's everyone, everything. He picks up his team, he makes his team, no one interferes. So, and he kept his nucleus intact for last few years, which the Calcutta club couldn't do. When after winning Asian Cup, winning 2 years national, first time I-League back to back, the club failed to it, retained their core strength, the nucleus, the players went to Mahendra and Dempo.
So, talking of East Bengal when you were there.
Let's forget, I don't want to name. Thing is this attitude, what I found, here under the youth development, Churchill, Salgaonkar, Dempo, even Sporting, Vasco, they are giving more importance to their youth development, which West Bengal is not giving. So it is evident, and the true picture is coming out when the I-League completes.
Yeah.
So, and it is good that one thing I must say, Calcutta football, when it was on the peak, when people used to call it a Mecca of Indian football. Why? Because there was no money in other states. Only Calcutta people used to give mega money also, but that was only paid by the Calcutta clubs. So all the names, that time Goa was not in the picture. Hyderabadi, Bangalorean, the Keralian, the football powers on those days, they used to move to Calcutta. I never say the Bengali has made the Indian football rich. No, always the jewel of the crown was either always a Bengali. Either Manna, or Chuni, or P.K. Banerjee, or Sudhir Karmakar, like that. But world is changing. What do you talk about Indian football?
Would you rate your squad for the new season as a real title-winning prospect?
I don't believe in this. I believe in one man, Mr. Marino, because anywhere he goes, he tells the club. He always tells the club, the first year, don't test me. Don't test my player. And second year is the real challenge. This year, Churchill has made a very good young team. I told the very first day when I met the players, I said, I don't want to keep pressure on you. I am not giving you pressure to win this, win that, win that. Enjoy your game. Do your best. Let's see where you go. So I'll say same thing to the management. It's a team of future. The team they have built this time, if they wait, keep patience, this team, these players can deliver many, many things to them.
If you make an observation of our country, India is a superpower in most of the fields. So, what do we need to change to make it a superpower in overall sporting regards?
Sports is never, and even now, is never a priority to Indian parent. Leander Paes is lucky, got father called Vespes. Sunil Gavaskar is lucky, he got his mother. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is lucky, he got a father even short of Ganguly. Because sport is a pastime to us till now. Sports is not primary. No parents can boast the day his or her son started, and Sania Nema, Sania Mirza, few names, whose parents took it up. Okay, no, I don't want my children to be doctor, lawyer, engineer, IAS, these, that. Okay, you love it, you go for it. This attitude, till it doesn't come, you can have few names which will come up occasionally, they'll deliver you, but not forcing power, not like United States, not like China, not like Japan, not by any superpower in sports. You cannot get it. It has to, charity begins at home. You have to have a parent who will encourage you. If your inclination is toward music, guide him properly. If you want to be a sports person, guide him properly. Make sure he doesn't go haywire, the right kind of things. Till date, we will produce engineer, doctors, MBAs, all things. Sports, Olympic will start. We'll sit in front of TV with a cup of tea or coffee, and then next morning we'll sit down and gossip. Oh my God, we have got such a big country, we cannot win a gold.
Right. Thanks, Mr. Subhash Bhaumik, for your thoughts. And that's it. India will need a real shift in thinking about sports to make a country a real superpower in the sporting community. Thanks for watching. We'll be back next week. Goodbye.